I have a really sad piece of cabbage here. It is, like I said, grocery day. I need to order groceries. And I'm gonna be doing that this evening after our live show, but I'm saving this last little piece of cabbage and I'm going to use that for coleslaw. Then I've got 2 semi-dead carrots and put in my sad cabbage, but that's fine. Okay, tiny titch of sugar. All right, and a glop of mayo right there. Yes, after my mayonnaise test, I have become a Duke's mayonnaise fan. Did not know there was such a thing as different tastes of mayonnaise. Okay, now I do have slightly more carrots than I normally would, but that's because I don't have as much cabbage. So I'm just making up for it because I want to get these used up. There we go. All right.